Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. I'm here today with a more in-depth video of something that I've talked about before, and that's the Buy Nothing group on Facebook. Sorry if you can hear my printer. I think it's about to finish up. But before I get into the Buy Nothing groups, I wanted to just show you a very small and quick thrift store haul. I just found some lined paper for 50 cents. It's a full pack, so that's great. And some more lined paper. I like this color, you know, so that it isn't totally full, but that's still really great. So I try to pick these up whenever I can because I have been making the ring bound notebooks, and that can be costly, that paper. And I also found this kind of, I don't have a lot of this blue, so I picked it up, but there's two types of fabric. This has a little bit more of a sheen to it, and it's just very flowy fabric. So I got that. And then I got this really vibrant red velvet looking material. It's originally from H&M, but I'm really looking for lots of velvet, so got that. And then I found this little sweatshirt. I'd actually even want to wear this first but it is a velvety velour type of material, so I grabbed that. Now I'm gonna get into the Buy Nothing group, like talking about it, and kind of, oh, I got one more thing from the thrift store. This little thing, and it's like a little organizer that goes this way. I need to scrub it out, and it's all plastic, so I'm gonna wash it out with really hot water. I can put something standing up in here. And there's these little drawers right here. I'm thinking of putting circle punches because I use them a lot, and it'd be nice just to have it on my table, and I could just like pull out a drawer anytime I needed to. So I got that. All right, now for the Buy Nothing groups. I'll explain it from the very beginning, just because in case you don't remember the other video or you haven't seen the other video. I'll try to link it down below or in a card up above. But the Buy Nothing group is basically a project that someone started, I don't know how long ago, but it's very region specific. So like in my city, they have multiple groups, and my city is not a big city, so you belong to whichever group in a very specific way, like it's between a certain number of streets, if that makes sense. And it's on Facebook. You would just join your Buy Nothing group, so you kind of find them on Facebook, and I think you tell them where you're located, where you live, and they'll let you know if you like belong in that group or not. And then once you get accepted, you can put things up, like if you're spring cleaning and you don't want some sheets or clothes or kitchen items or anything, literally anything, even food. Some people they'll order, let's say, chicken wings, and they got the wrong flavor, and they'll post it on there like, does anyone want this? I just got it and it's the wrong flavor. And then you so let's say you want to get rid of a chair. You'll post on there and ask if anyone's interested. If I'm interested, I'll comment under your picture and I'll say that I'm interested, and then the person who's offering it will eventually pick someone. And if you get picked, they will ask you to DM them, and then you will go and pick it up. And what happens is, like this bag right here, I went to pick it up. So they somehow mark it like this is for my name, right? Lehman. And sometimes they'll write my name on a post-it, like for this bag, they put my name on a post-it. So you just go to their house, they have it outside somewhere, you pick it up, you never see them, they don't see you, just pick it up and you go home and you have these free things. And I should have mentioned in the beginning that I'm telling you guys about this because I've gotten so many craft items, things that you just don't want to pay money for, especially, but also things that you would want to pay money for. I've gotten patterns, I've gotten vintage books from the 60s, I've gotten lace, like there's like whatever anyone's giving, you know, like it could be one of the things that we need for crafting. So what I have found the most of are file folders, and I always look for file folders, especially at an estate sale where there's not much else, so I'll just kind of fill up on file folders. But it doesn't feel good to pay like $5 or $10 just for like a little bit of something I want and the rest is just file folders, right? And it definitely does not feel good to buy file folders from Office Depot because they're so expensive, and also because they're like brand new and we're not using them for the purposes of like needing new folders. So this way we're reusing things that other people are going to throw away anyways, which I really love that idea. Now this, I'm going to show you all the things that I've gotten. I showed you a batch in the last video, the first video that I made about these groups. So I'm going to show you everything I've gotten since then, and it is a lot. So this is one of the things. I put up a post and I asked, it's an ask post, right? It's not a give post. So I put that I was looking for any used, like gently used or new file folders that anyone is getting rid of. And I got 2 or 3 responses. And I am so set on file folders. I never like feel like I have enough supplies, but now I do, and you guys are gonna see why. So I got this bag from someone, which was really cool because they are the kind of file folders that I need. And there are some of these color which I could use, and see how they're used, but they're in great condition. Maybe some of them have a little bit of a stain, but that's like so small, you know? And these are really very, very gently used. So I got that. And then I got a whole box of brand new file folders here. And these are the legal size, so that's even better. They're just all file folders. Brand new. So I got that from another lady. And then I got some paper. Remember, I was paying for paper. This was totally free. And with that, I got some index cards, brand new pack of index cards that I totally use all the time. I plan to avocado dye these. I got some pencils that I might not use, but you know what? I can put it back on the group and give it to someone else who needs it. And then I got a pack of Post-its and some highlighters. I might just keep one of the highlighters and re-gift the rest of them. So it's just such a great group, a great idea. And let's see what else. Sorry that my printer is still going. All right. Then from another lady, and this lady, I got a lot from her. I got 2 trips worth because she was giving away so much stuff, getting rid of so much stuff. Just like, you know, a divider. I'll probably print on it. I'll probably cut it and then just print on it. It's kind of cardstocky, like not too thick, but a little bit. So I'll probably print on that. Some page dividers. I've been trying to think of something to do with page dividers that I have. I mean, not page dividers, sheet protectors. And then I got this type of accordion file folder. I love this color, so I'm definitely going to be able to use that. This one, not my favorite, but I can try dyeing it, or I can just back things onto it, especially because this is just manila color inside on one side. And then I got this, you know, just file folders. And I've spent money on file folders. I've never bought new file folders, but I've definitely gotten a lot from estate sales. And here's some gray cardstock, which is going to be great for backing things onto or printing. And like this is a little dirtier than I would like, so maybe I'll toss this out. All right, now for the rest, I need to show you. I have to take you off of the stand because there's too much. All right, so it's a mess in here. I'm redoing my whole craft area, but I got this whole box from her. Just all kinds of file folders. There's some page dividers, a ton right here. And then right here, all manila file folders, basically. More file folders here, more file folders here, and this huge box over here. So it's just super cool. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. Right, sorry about that. I got a phone call. But yeah, so those are all the file folders I got. And I also got this box of free books right here. They are not vintage books or anything, but this book I've been wanting to read. I think I might have another copy, so if that's the case, I could give it again in the group, right? But for these ones, like, I mean, I could use them to make journals. They're all hard back except for this one. Yeah, so it's so great. It's a good way to reuse and all that stuff, right? So if you guys have any questions about it, let me know down below. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye, everyone.